Hi judges, me Buckeyequest. Teachers need on you one more dashboard to check after school. They need help building a great day before students arrive, and they need a clear next move while students are learning. Buckeyequest connect these two movements together. Let's look at the teacher dashboard first. So in here we can see how many students are in their class, in progress, as well as check-ins. This is the AI classroom assistant where the teacher can ask stuff from who needs help before tomorrow's test based on the stuff they've done in the past few weeks, or like who is showing strong stuff, or for a specific student, how else they can help. And for a student to join, you can either do a QR code or there's a link that the student can join. And for example, we join, and student is right here, as you can see, not started yet because they haven't started anything. And then a teacher can choose between which grade they are. For example, if this is the first grade, you can see here, these are all the first grade requirements from the Ohio State Department of Education. And we can go up all the way to 5th grade. And these are like the learning journeys, and it'll be different for each grade. And then if a teacher teaches multiple grade levels, they can set each student to their correct grade. For example, let's say this is 3rd grade. And then they also personalize next journey of what a student should do next, and this will just help them. And then for level update to review, based on what the student did, it'll give you recommendations for what you should do next with that student. I'll show that later. And then this is the AI term planner where it plans a full semester or a full year, and teacher can override in terms of like if there's a field trip, the next day we can do something alongside that field trip, maybe like a paragraph or something related to a field trip. And you can see all the weeks here. For let's say this week, it can show you like unit focus, grading questions, what teachers should do, what students should do, as well as the success criteria. And it also does each of the day what you should do. And then you can also go in each day to be more detailed. For example, learning targets, what material should have, the quick checks, what teachers should do, and what students should do. Now let's look at the student view. And let's do this one. So this is just a random small paragraph as well as learning context. You can choose what to do, and you can also ask questions to a tutor. And let's just do this one. And the narrator will be reflecting to do the next step. And as you can see here, this is kind of like a game where you can keep going. And then while that's going on, over here, you can see completed, they got 0 out of 2 correct. You can still keep them on level, but you should support them. And that's kind of the full thing. And Buckeyequest was built using Codex and GPT 5.6, specifically Tara, for its classroom models, planner, branch mission, guardrail, offline flow, as well as testing. And I use NVIDIA's Llama Neutron to power the backend's live AI for now. And I will want to apply it towards Ohio teachers to actually see the impact this can make, as well as build anything else that they believe would be useful. Thank you for watching the demo.